Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have my Boxycharm unboxing. Here it is. I already opened it because I wanted to see what I was gonna need. This is the August box. So this is just what the little pamphlet looks like. As you guys know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. It's $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size products every time. I haven't done this unboxing in a while. I still have been getting it, but I just haven't done it. But this month I really like what came in here, so I thought I would get on here and do it. I got something I feel like a little bit different from everybody else. A lot of people got like eyeshadows, and I actually got eyelashes, so I'm pretty excited about that to try them out. So let's just get on with this video. So the first thing in the box is this Pure X collab, I guess, with Barbie. It's called Glittery Pink. It's a brightening peel-off mask. It has licorice extract, green tea, vitamin B, and ginseng. Sounds like it has really good components. I'm not gonna try this on today because, well, I have some makeup on already, so I'm not gonna try this on, but I will try it on and let you guys know. First thing that came in this box was this Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. The only thing I have on my face right now is cream and sunscreen. So now I'm just gonna go in with this. Look at this, this tip is really cool. It's unique. I've never really seen anything like that. So I'm just gonna, oh, and it comes out pink. It has like a pink consistency. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna start applying a little bit of that on my face. As you guys see, it has like a really sheer pink consistency. It's kind of like a little bit iridescent. So I'm just gonna take that a little bit and put it all over my face. Oh, it feels really, doesn't really have too much of a smell to it. I'm just gonna put that a little bit on my face just to hydrate. It feels like a little bit tacky, actually. I feel like this face oil kind of already set into my face. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna go in with foundation. I'm just gonna be using my NARS Radiant Longwear foundation. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this. And then I'm gonna apply my concealer and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I applied my foundation and I just applied my concealer. I used the Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer. So now I'm just gonna set my face. The other thing that was in the box was this Becca Hydramist Set and Refresh Powder. So I've actually never tried this before, so I am excited to try it out. I'm just gonna use this, this is what the looks like. It's really, really nice. It looks very finely milled. So I'm just gonna open this up and I'm just gonna use this to set my under eyes and just the rest of my face as well. Keep me closed. It says keep me close to keep me cool. It's funny. There. Oh, okay. So now this has a little thing. So this is supposed to be nice because it's supposed to be like a refreshing powder as well. So like, let's say during the day you want to touch up your makeup, maybe this is something that you can use. So we're gonna give this a whirl and see how it goes. I'm just gonna use it first to set my under eyes. Okay, you can see that it instantly, why is this brush like a little bit? Okay, so I thought my brush was wet, but actually the powder is like a little bit, it kind of feels like a little bit cool when once you put it on your face. It feels a little bit like damp. Maybe I guess that's why it's called Set and Refresh, and it says Hydramist. I didn't think it was gonna feel like that. It made me feel like my brush was wet. I was like, what's going on? Whoa, so you guys can see instantly, like, it mattified it. Look at this side and look at this side. This is the side with the powder. This is with no powder. It instantly mattified the area, which I really like. So I'm just gonna use this everywhere else that I set concealer and where I don't really want to be glowing. I'm kind of just gonna whirl the excess product like a little bit over my face, just to have everything a little bit set. Wow, I would have never tried this out if it wasn't for getting in this box. That's why I really like Boxycharm, because these are products that I would never have tried out. And honestly, I'm really liking this powder like a lot. I really like how it kind of really does like refresh your face, just like it says it does. So I don't know if you guys can see how well it's set. Like, it feels really nice. It feels really fresh. It doesn't really feel like you have any powder on, which is really nice. You always want that in a powder, just so it doesn't feel cakey. It feels really loose. I absolutely am loving how it feels right now. I'm definitely going to wear it throughout the day and see how I like it. But now I'm just going to continue. I'm just going to do a little bit of eyeshadow just so that, because I want to pop on these lashes, but I want to have a little something, but not too much. Okay guys, so I just kind of finished up the rest of my face a little bit, and now I'm just going to go in with this mascara. I'm just going to go in with a little bit because I mentioned I am going to put on the eyelashes that came in the box. So this was the Big Ego, so it's in the shade black. This is what it looks like. It's a really nice pink neon. This kind of packaging Like the sleekness of it kind of reminds me of the one from Too Faced, Better Than Sex. It's kind of like the same size, I feel. So let's just see what the wand looks like. As I mentioned, I've never used this mascara before, so okay. So this is a really big wand, which is really nice. This is what it looks like. I like these type of wands because I feel like they really give you volume. So I'm just gonna start applying that. So I only put on a little bit, but as a first impression, it really does give you like length and volume. I'm sure that it's definitely like really buildable. The only thing that I don't really like is that it does feel really dry. Like just the first coat just kind of felt really dry. So I mean, I really like how it looks, so we're not gonna put it off. I'm definitely gonna be playing around with it and see how I like it. But as I mentioned, I do like more of a dampened formula, one that's a little bit more wet. So now I'm just gonna go on with these eyelashes, which is what I think I'm most excited about. The Lashaholic luxury lashes. I really like the packaging. It has this really nice gold detailing. It's really nice. So this is the back of it. And when you open it, it says ready, set, get addicted. So this is really cute. The name of these lashes in particular are Instaglam. So I'm just gonna pop these on and I will be ready. So I'm back with the eyelashes. I gotta say, I kind of was scared when I saw them because I was like, they don't really look like something that I would wear because they kind of look too long. But honestly, once I put them on, I really like how they look. As you guys can see, they're really thin, so it's not like too much, and the length is like really nice as well. I'm just gonna kind of zoom you guys in a little bit more to my face, just so you guys can see. It kind of doesn't really touch my brow bone, so I like that. I really like how it looks, honestly. I really like that thin band because it just feels super lightweight. It doesn't really feel like you have like eyelashes on. I honestly love how it feels, and I love how they look. They're like different, like each lash is like kind of like a different length, so I like that because it just looks really nice. And for me personally, it is a lash that I will be using because I do like how it looks. At first, as I mentioned, it looked a little bit intimidating, but putting it on and seeing how thin it feels and how easy it was to apply, I really like them. I'm definitely going to be checking out more lashes from them. This and the powder were my favorite things that came in the box. They were just really good products and things that, like, again, if you don't have Boxycharm, you would have never known because probably most of these products you wouldn't even pick up or wouldn't even know about. So that's why I really like Boxycharm. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe down below to my channel. As I mentioned, I will be leaving the prices to everything in case you guys want to check something out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!